Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about the move tool. So without further ado, let's jump to the Photoshop. Here we have a background layer with white color and another layer with the photo of this girl. So this is the move tool and we click on the move tool and come to the layer. For example, we want to move this layer from here to the top side of the white layer, or here, everywhere we want. I think you all understand this, how it works. If we press Alt and click on the layer and move it to the here, to the top right, we have another copy of this layer and we can make how many copies we want. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we are going to delete these layers because we don't need them. Delete, take this to the center. Another trick is this. If we press shift, now we want to move this layer from here to here and to be precise in a straight way. We can do it with the mouse, go slowly, but we never can be precise. If we press shift and move to the right, you see this line here? It tells to us we are on the same direction and it's perfect. The move is straight and we can go left or right and other direction, for example up and down and like this, and like this. I think that's clear. So we press Alt, make another copy, and I'm gonna explain this one here. This is the auto selection, and if we are here and we have select this one. If you want to move this one here, now we have to come here to select the second layer and to move it, and come again here to move this one. But if we check this auto select, it will select the layer automatically without coming here and select. For example, we have select this one, come here, the selection will change. Come here. Without this, we have to do all the procedure. So we keep it checked. The other one is show transform control. What is this? When we click here, we click this one and we can move it. But if we check this, you see, if we select, the transform will appear in our layer, in this layer, and we have the opportunity to transform the photo. If you like this, you can keep it. If you don't, you have no reason to keep it. I don't want it. After this we have another, we delete. These icons, they are not active in this moment, and I will show you how to make this active and to use it and the function they have. For example, to make this active, you have to select the area you want to move. This layer, for example, if we come here, select the rectangle marquee tool and select all the white background, and come again to the move tool to select. For example, we come here, select this one. You see, moving to the left. Select this, click on this, and the layer will be on the center. Horizontally. This one will move to the right, and this to the top, this to the bottom, this comes again to the center. And that's all about these icons. We have these groups and layers. I'm gonna explain you where they change. For example, we have 3 of these layers. We don't need more than 3. And come here, select this one and this one, they group together, and these two, they are in the same group. If I take this one, they move both. If I take this, I move just this one. If I go from groups to layer, see, move this one, move this one, move this one. Well, doesn't matter is or not in the same group, they move this way. And now that's all for the move tool. See you in the next tutorial.